Welcome to the Planner Channel. Hello, I'm Katie. I help busy people get organized and stay focused by using a daily planner. In this video, I'm going to share how to start a new planner. For weekly videos about planners and accessories, productivity, organization, and success, subscribe to the Planner Channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every weekend. If you're new to the Happy Planner, this is the Socialite 2019 Classic Size Happy Planner. It's a 12-month planner. It has metal discs, and this specific one has a layout that they call a color block layout. So there's these alternating color blocks. There are 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are six in each day, and then some little polka dots on the weekends there. I have not used this layout yet, so this will be new for me. But as far as getting started, you've got a blank planner, and I'll just show you a couple of accessories that I like to use in my new planner. The first thing is, I love these dashboards and bookmarks, so I would recommend you get at least one bookmark. You do not need all these accessories. As long as you have a planner and a pen, you are all set. But if you want to do a little extra and have a little fun with it, I would recommend at least one either dashboard or bookmark. And the Happy Planner makes it easy for us. They've got all these great accessories. So these are the dashboards. There are 3 different ones with tabs on them, different sizes. And then this one I think has a dashboard and a bookmark. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and put in, oh no, it looks like this one has a folder and a bookmark. And those are the dashboards. So let's see. Yeah, no. Yes. So this one has, oh, it's like a dashboard. No, it's a folder. Okay. So I do usually put a folder in each of my planners, but only because they're cute. Only my budget planner is one that I really use a folder a lot for receipts. But whatever you need for you, that's what you should get. And if a folder helps, get folders. All right, stickers and some little sticky notes there and a little paperclip bookmark and some paper. So I would say my top things that I want to have in my planner are a bookmark, and I do include a folder. Now some of these have, yes, it has, the plastic has a little clear backing on it to protect it from scratching before you get it. So you'll want to remove that if you've got a bookmark. So let's go ahead and snap that in. And all of the Happy Planner accessories are made to snap onto the discs, and the discs can snap on, the pages can snap on and off as well. So let me just show you that quickly. If you're new to Happy Planning, you just want to pull up and snap them back in. It's so easy. You want to be careful not to tear the pages out sideways because you can rip the little cutouts here, and you don't want to do that. If you're new to planning and starting a new planner, type yes in the comments below. So if you're into accessories like I am, you might want to add a folder, you might want to add sticky notes, you might want to put some extra paper in the back of your planner. And the Happy Planner girls have an extra section called, and I think it's called extras, yes. An extra section in the back with a label that says extras right there. And you can put whatever you want back there. This one comes with a daily planning sheet with some grid paper on the back, or you could take that out and put in this note paper that came in the accessory pack. I'm gonna put the folder in the front with the sticky notes here. And again, you just snap them in. Sticky notes I'll put behind the folder, maybe here. And I've got my bookmark here. And that's that. You can add in dashboards if you want dashboards. Oh, one more thing. I did get these sticky notes, which is an extra snap-in sticky note page. Let's put these in instead of the little ones. Okay, I changed my mind on the bookmark, although it's so cute. I'm gonna go with this flower dashboard instead on this page, and then I'll probably put the bookmark in the back for the back section. Again, all of these have that clear film to help protect it. So let's put that here and move this to the back. The next thing is to go ahead and put your schedule in your planner. So you might want to start with these few things: your work schedule, holidays, vacation or travel that you have planned, any appointments or meetings that you have. Those go in your planner first. So put all of that in there. Are you ready to create a powerful plan for your life? If you are, click the link in the description below to download your free Power Plan checklist. And if you haven't already, click the link below to download your free Power Plan checklist, and that will help you to define and clarify your priorities so that you can schedule your time to do the things that matter most to you. So once you've got your holidays, work schedule, vacation, appointments, meetings, and your priorities scheduled into your planner, then you can decorate, or you can decorate with those time blocks. So let's just take a look at this week, first week of January. I'm not ready to plan it yet, but for example, my priorities are my morning routine, and that's my gratitude and journaling, and my power hour for my one goal. So that'll go in my first section. And then I've got my work schedule because my work is a priority for me. I've got my lunch hour, which I use to run errands or do tasks. Then afternoon, or when I get home, I like to do my workout next. So this is probably what will go in this section. And then other priorities, whatever they may be for me or for you, go in the different sections. What you don't want to do is fill up your whole planner with all the things on your to-do list. The best way to take care of that is to use a separate sheet of paper, brain dump, write everything down that you need to do or you think you need to do, and then you've got to be strategic about which tasks you place from your to-do list into your planner, into your schedule, and get them done. That's how you make progress on your goals and your priorities. So once you have all of those functional and practical things scheduled in your planner, or the time blocks decided, then you get to the fun part. All the stickers and decorations can go in your planner. And you could use sticky notes to kind of place what you're going to need in there, or just go ahead. I like to use washi tape to define my work schedule, and then I like to use big block stickers like these for certain tasks or appointments that need to go in there. And the Happy Planner just makes it so easy for us. They have all these headers, checklists, to-do lists, hourly. Remember to help us with any of those items that we need to place into our planner. So once you know the practical side, then go to the decorative side and do the fun part. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.